Moving is already such a painful experience. You can't bring your whole house with you, including your furniture. Hiring movers and organizing an existing delivery are both expensive and risky. What's worse is the fact that most furniture delivery companies guarantee nothing. If there are any damages during the transport, it's not their problem. Oh, and remember to tip. Not only do you have to be careful about how you pack your belongings, but don't forget to double-check that all fragile items will be handled with care by someone who might not even speak English. Turn to two Boca Babes Home Consulting Services for all of your moving and delivery needs. We're a very specialized company that can lend a hand at any stage of your move, from the first quote through unpacking when you arrive at the new place. With us, there won't be any unpleasant surprises. Our furniture experts are fully equipped with all kinds of moving equipment, including boxes, paper padding, mattress protectors, and more.